Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on the concentration of solutions. In this video, we will explore the concept of concentration, understand different ways to express it, and practice some numerical problems to solidify our understanding. So, let's get started. To begin, let's uncover what concentration of a solution means. Concentration refers to the concentration of solution amount of solute present in a given amount, mass, volume, of the solution, or the amount of solute dissolved in a given mass or volume of solvent, and the amount of the solute present in the saturated solution at a given temperature is called solubility. In this tutorial, we will cover how to calculate concentration of solution, practice some numerical along with its significance in making dilute, concentrated, saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solution. One way to describe the concentration of a solution is by the percent of the solution that is composed of the solute. This percentage can be determined in one of three ways. 1. The mass of the solute divided by the mass of solution multiplied 100. That is percentage by mass. 2. The volume of the solute divided by the volume of the solution multiplied 100. That is percentage by volume. 3. The mass of the solute divided by the volume of the solution multiplied 100. Let's practice these formulas using some numerical. A solution contains 40 grams of common salt in 320 grams of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass, by mass percentage of the solution. Mass of solute equals to 40 grams. Mass of solvent equals to 320 grams. Mass of solution is sum of mass of solute plus mass of solvent, which is 40 plus 320. So, mass of solution is 360 grams. If we observe the numerical, the values given are in grams. Hence we will use formula percentage by mass, which is the mass of the solute divided by the mass of solution multiplied by 100. By putting values, the concentration of solution is calculated as 11.1%. Let's do one more numerical for better understanding about concentration of solution. What is the percentage concentration of a solution is prepared from 10 grams sodium chloride and ACl in enough water to make a 150 milliliter solution. Mass of solute equals 10 grams. Volume of solution equals 150 milliliters. If we observe the numerical, the values given are in grams and milliliter. Hence we will use formula mass by volume percentage, which is the mass of the solute divided by the volume of solution multiplied by 100. By putting values, the concentration of solution is calculated as 6.7%. I hope you have learned something new. Pause this video and solve these numerical. It's time to show you the crossword puzzle answers that I uploaded in my previous video. Comment how many you have guessed correctly. Now, let's move to discuss different types of solutions, based on concentration of the solution. A dilute solution is one that has a relatively small amount of dissolved solute. A concentrated solution is one that has a relatively large amount of dissolved solute. A solution, in which we can add more amount of solute, as it has not achieved its saturation level yet, is called an unsaturated solution. A dilute solution can be called as an unsaturated solution. A solution in which no more solute can be added since it has already dissolved the maximum amount of solute it can is called a saturated solution. A solution that contains more than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved at a given temperature is called supersaturated solution. Now, here is the question for you. Can we convert saturated to unsaturated and supersaturated solution? Pause this video and discuss with your teacher in the class. The answer is yes, we can make saturated to unsaturated by heating it, or scientifically say, increase the temperature of the solution. This results in more solute to be dissolved. Hence, it became unsaturated solution. This heated solution in which more solute is dissolved, if cooled, become a supersaturated solution. Interesting, right? Can you suggest any real-life example? Syrup of Indian sweet dish. Jalebi is an example. Next time when you eat jalebi, think of saturated solution which first converted to unsaturated and then supersaturated solution. By this time, you can find more examples from your day-to-day life activities. If you have any questions or want more practice, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials on chemistry and beyond. Thank you for watching. and keep mastering the art of concentration in chemistry.